So this problem is using Bernoulli's equation. So for the Bernoulli's equation, when we have the linear on the left-hand side, and then there is a y term on the right-hand side, therefore it's not linear anymore, and the y term, y should be something like a square negative 2 other than y. If there is a y, you can move to the left-hand side, and then you make it the linear. So you have to have a y to the power of something other than 1. So for the Bernoulli's, we said u equals y to the 1 minus n, and this guy is n, therefore minus 2, that is y to the power of 3. Now let's take the chain rule with respect to x, then du over dx equals 3y squared dy over dx. And since we have dy over dx on the equation, so I'm going to change this to dy over dx equals to something. That means you need to divide both sides by 1 over 3y squared du over dx. And then you put it back to into original equation, then we have 1 over 3y squared du over dx minus y equals e to the x y squared. And our objective is to have that expression in terms of du over dx, and then it's going to be the linear. So in order to do that, I need to make it into a standard form. That means I need to multiply it everywhere by 3y squared. Then du over dx minus y times 3y squared equals e to the x y squared times 3y squared. I'm sorry, our original equation is y to the negative 2, this guy. Not this one. So initially we had a negative 2 right there, so they should be negative 2. We have du over dx minus 3y cubed, and we said y cubed, we let u equals to y cubed. So that's why we have a u right there, equals 3 times e to the x, y to the power of negative 2 times y to the power of 2. That will give us 1. So now it is linear. Then we can find the integrating factor e to the integral whatever we have in front of u, and that is negative 3 dx, and that is e to the negative 3x. That's our integrating factor. And then once you find the integrating factor, we need to multiply this integrating factor to everywhere. Then du over dx times e to the negative 3x minus 3u times e to the negative 3x equals 3 times e to the x times e to the negative 3x. And the effect of multiplying this integrating factor, the whole left-hand side equals to what? These guys. So d over dx, we have a u e to the negative 3x, and then the right-hand side 3 times e to the negative 2x. Now we're going to take the integral for both sides. Then we have u times e to the negative 3x equals 3 integral e to the negative 2x dx. So from here, we have said u equals y cubed to the negative 2x plus c. So I'm going to multiply both sides by e to the positive 3x, e to the positive x plus c, e to the 3x. So that's our explicit solution, even though it's not y equals to something, but there's no y on the right-hand side. If you want, we can simply change to y equals the cube root of everything. So I'll say that it could be an unexplicit solution.